Hello, class! I'm glad that you're here. We're getting ready to start. Just to begin, I have a little bit of a game for you, and we're going to make a few predictions. So, first of all, I have this book. You can see it's called How to Back Up a Trailer and 101 Other Things Every Real Guy Should Know. What do you think this book is about? As you can see, there's a trailer on it. Talks about what real guys should know, how to back up a trailer. Yes, this book is about how men can back up a trailer and other things that real men should know. Kind of funny, huh? Yeah, so that's this book. We have another book here as well. This one, this little bit more lovey-dovey. 5 love languages, the secret to a love that lasts. Now, what do you think this book's about? Like, you can see there's a couple on the front. It talks about love. Yeah, as you can imagine, this book is about how to make a love last. So that's what the author is trying to say, is trying to give you advice on your relationships. How many of you want to improve your relationships or something like that? Yeah, I think most people do. So if you want to do that, you would look at a book like this. Okay, I have another book here. This book, very popular. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Powerful Lessons in Personal Change. So does anybody know what effective means? Yes, it means doing something well, succeeding. So it's essentially a book on, yes, how to succeed. So the author, what do you think the author is trying to say? Yeah, he's trying to give you advice on how to succeed. So you would look for a book like this. Great job. Okay, here's one that you're a little more familiar with. This one's called Effective Academic Writing. Now there's that word effective again. Remember, it's successful. So effective academic writing, what do you think this book is about? Exactly, it's a book on how to write. So what do you think the author is trying to do? Yes, teach you how to write. Exactly. So all of these books that we've been talking about, these are all books that have titles and pictures that help us know what they're trying to say. And that's a really effective, there's that word again, effective tool that authors use to help us know what their purpose is or what the main idea is. So today we're going to look a little bit more at an author's purpose or their main idea. So to help you remember what the author's purpose is, there's a little acronym. It's easy as pie. See, P-I-E. So the P stands for persuade. So an author could be trying to persuade you to believe something. For example, if you were watching a TV commercial and you saw this big, delicious bowl of ice cream, and it's just dripping with chocolate. It sounds so good. You're going to be persuaded to believe that you need that. How many of you would be persuaded? I probably would be persuaded. So the next one is to inform. So this is more of these kinds of books. These are called self-help books. So the author is trying to inform you, like how to back up a trailer. They're trying to inform you how to do these things, or like how to be successful, or use academic writing, all of these things. Most of these books will be under the inform category. And the last one is most people's favorite. It's the entertain category. So an author could be just writing for you to enjoy. So that could be the novels that you like to read on your own time. For example, Harry Potter's a very popular one. That one isn't really meant to persuade you or to inform you. It's mostly just to entertain. So, now that we've looked a little bit about this, I have a video that has a couple texts, and we will be watching this video and trying to guess whether we're trying to persuade, to inform, or to entertain. What is the author doing? So, as we go through this video, make sure you're watching for those little hints. Like, remember when we looked at the books, there's a couple, it says love. It's going to be talking about relationships. So, instead of using pictures, we're going to be looking at the actual words in the text. That's what's going to help us know what the author's trying to persuade us to do, okay? Alright, so let's get looking at this video, and then we'll do a little practice afterwards.